So this is how I typically lay out my files and have done from the beginning. Of course, they have changed quite a lot through the time as well, which is also good because when it comes to writing things up or talking about next steps with your supervisor, you've kind of got a general outline that you can use for your chapters. And it helps keep things organized and separated yet connected where they need to be in your mind. So I normally start off with papers, writing that I have to do, and then the studies will each have their own file. I've just got one here, for example, and they are numbered so they stay in this order. And I've got a separate folder at the bottom for conferences and talks, so things like presentations can go there, posters, applications, short abstracts, that sort of thing. It's really useful to have them all in one place. So let's go into this study number 1 file. So at the moment it's empty. So what I would normally do is create one folder for the pilot study, one for raw data, from the real study, I should say. And because I often do coding for data analysis and that sort of thing, I have a folder for scripts. And then I have one for results. And in my results, sometimes I write things up, sometimes it's just the stats, sometimes it's the figure itself, but it's nice to have them all in one place. Or I can have a plan that I can just add down here. So let's just say new Word document that I'm going to call P1 plan notes for the pilot. And then it will, if I refresh, just appear down here. And I can do that for every single one of my separate studies. So I can have, I think I've got like 10 or something different folders now. They'll probably end up going into chapters together, but it's just nice to keep things separate.